Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking Bourdain. Today we're making mayonnaise. If this is your first time here, subscribe and ring the bell to catch all the videos. This recipe comes from Appetites, a cookbook. Pick it up in the link below, along with other cool Bourdain books. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 egg yolks. Beat the egg yolks well. We're making about 2 cups of mayonnaise. Scale the recipe as needed. Add in a half tablespoon of white wine vinegar, half teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon dry mustard. Begin to add the oil in a very slow and steady stream, whisking constantly. You may wish to enlist the help of a friend. One of you whisks while the other pours. Once you see the emulsion begin to form, you can add the oil a little faster, but do not dump it in. Continue to add the oil, then whisk in any remaining vinegar. Taste the mixture and adjust with the lemon juice and add additional salt if desired. The emulsion breaks when the matrix is overloaded with oil. If the mixture starts to become too thick to beat, you can thin it with some of the remaining vinegar. Continue to beat until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and the mixture begins to turn a creamy off-white to pale yellow color. It should look something like this. Use immediately or store for future use. We'll be using ours for our grilled cheese sandwiches with caramelized onions. Don't miss that video. Some recipes called for the prepared stuff, but some, like chicken salad, demand a homemade mayonnaise. It's one of a category of emulsified dressings in which 2 unmixable liquids are held in suspension by a third. In this case, oil and vinegar, brought together by egg yolks. The notion of an emulsion gets some cooks panicky, but there's no reason to sweat it. As long as you use the freshest possible eggs, beat the yolks well, and go slow and steady when incorporating the oil, you shouldn't have any trouble. Thanks for watching. We're cooking all of Bourdain's recipes. Subscribe, like, tell a friend. Eat well. We'll see you soon.